Top 5 Best Programmable Robot Kits for Beginners. Number 5. XiaoR Geek Smart Robot Tank. This product is an excellent idea if you are looking for a robot that creates lesser noise but is equally attractive to build. It is electroplated, and the base material is composed of aluminum. If your kid is in love with tanks or military-inspired toys, then go for it without giving it a second thought. The tracks of this robot are made of suitable quality plastic. Users can add a variety of sensors on the robot platform. Pros. It is excellent for developing DIY abilities of children. The company of this robot also provides technical assistance if at all you need it. The mobile platform available at this robot is fully compatible with many accessible controllers. The robot is composed of high-quality aluminum alloy. The best part is that it creates minimum noise. Cons: tracks may snap apart. The wires are not marked with positive or negative. Coming in number 4. ClicBot Coding Robot Kit. ClicBot Coding Robot Kit is one of the best educational robot kits for beginners. It is a powerful one, and one can enhance the skill level as per their brain capacity with an extra brain module. They have a community to interact with and share the experience of learning together with a premium membership. The ClicBot Coding Robot Kit is best for beginners and has advanced learning modules and codes. The great versatility of the robot and repeatability are enough to keep anyone engaged in terms of playing it. Pros: remote control. It is an ideal gift for a child that is more than 12 months. Flexible and reliable product. Extra brain module. Blocky-based programming language. Cons: can't integrate with Python. Not accurate battery display. English localization is not polished. Coming in number 3. Makeblock DIY Ultimate Robot Kit. This should be certainly considered one of the premium programmable robot kits for beginners. The full kit includes 10 different building forms that introduce some best robotics kits, electronics, graphical programming, and Python programming. There are 3 powerful motors that enable you to guess the next step of the robot. It is also equipped with Bluetooth connections so you can connect it to any smart device. Pros. It includes 10 different building forms. The mechanical parts are anodized with aluminum. These parts have threaded slots so they can connect easily. The encoder motors are potent. It is Bluetooth enabled. Cons. You have to make sure that you update the firmware. The instructions could have been better. Coming in number 2. Thames and Kosmos Remote Control Machines. If you're buying this robot for an astronomy enthusiast, then you are in luck. When a Mars rover combines with programming, then this robot is formed. One can make a beginner robotics kit rover that represents the ones that NASA sends to other planets. It is composed of 237 pieces and comes with a manual that explains every procedure thoroughly. For NASA fans and programmers, this machine kit can be a perfect gift idea. Pros. It is a great robot option for anyone who loves space and computer science. It is recommended for children from age 8 to 15 years. There is an illustrated manual included that will help kids assemble the parts quickly. There are additional space-themed models also. It looks very cool once entirely made. Cons. Some users reported that the parts are easily breakable. It takes very long to assemble. Coming in number 1. LEGO MINDSTORMS EV3 31313 Robot Kit. LEGO Boost option is for all ages. The only requirement is that the person you are buying it for should love coding and robots. LEGO Boost Robot will make engineering fun for anyone who uses it. Builders can program this little kit to talk, walk, and shoot. You can get as creative as you want while building it. It includes servo motors, IR sensors, etc. It can also be connected to your smart device. Pros. It is suitable for kids from age 10 to 15. It is a perfect educational robot. One can build 17 different designs from this single kit. One can explore endless learning opportunities with the app. It has very unique features, including walking, talking, etc. Cons. Some users reported it to be a little intimidating for younger kids.